Good morning. I sure wasn't expecting to wake up to this morning, but I always love the snow. But anyway, I got these little old Christmas trees here I've built, and that's what we're going to work on today. I got this one. I built him last night. I put shelves in him. But today I'm gonna make some more of these, and that snow off there. So we'll get back inside and we'll get at it. Well, I sure wasn't expecting that snow this morning, but it didn't last long. Anyway, I'm gonna make at least one, maybe two more of these, and they're all cut on a 30-degree angle. And this little tree, this bottom piece is 6 inches tip to tip, and then the side pieces are 4 inches. And then you have this, and the bottom is 4 inches. And then this piece up here, since it overlaps this one, it's 4 3/4. Or if you used a different thickness, it'd be 4 inches plus whatever that thickness is. Anyway, and on this little one, well, you can see on this bottom one, right here on this bottom one, the angles they're facing each other, and so are the ones on the side. And I think that looks good on these little ones like this. But this one, I put these shelves in here. These angles, they're parallel in order to be able to lay that shelf on there. If I'm wanting to cut these where they're parallel, I cut this one and I just slide them down to my stop block, cut the next one. But if I want the angles to face each other, like a pyramid, cut this one and then take the board and just turn him over. And now you can see that if I cut that one right there, the angles will be facing each other. Well, there's your little Christmas tree. I'm going to do another couple of these and call it a night. Hope you enjoyed it. And appreciate you watching. And I'll see you on the next one.